Alright guys, so today I'm here at Pure and Simple to do a skin consultation with founder Jean Eng, and we are going to go through a step-by-step of what products she recommends for me, followed by a treatment. So I want you guys to follow along and enjoy this little tutorial. So today I'm here with founder of Pure and Simple, Jean Eng, and we are going to go through a bit of a skin consultation, which is one of the standard procedures here at Pure and Simple. Cool, so we're at the Yorkville location, which is a beautiful space on Cumberland in Toronto. It's so bright and vibrant, and what I love about Pure and Simple is that everything is natural, and you have such a great range of gluten-free specific products, which for me, of course, I'm looking for, but other allergen-friendly skincare products, which I think is just super important because, as we'll get into, diet plays a huge role in our skin health, and if we're intolerant to something on the inside, you know, putting that on our skin is going to have a similar effect. Okay, so I'd love to go through a little bit about the Pure and Simple philosophy, how you guys approach skincare, how you take an approach from the inside, and how that shows on your skin.
So at Pure and Simple, when you come in for a skin consultation, we usually give you a form to find out what is sort of your natural personality and body type,
okay,
because that affects your skin type. And we also look at, you just take hints, like if your ancestors are from a certain climate that's very different from Toronto, that could be the problem that you're experiencing.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah. So how thick or thin your skin is will determine how much care you have to give to it at certain ages. And part of it is geography, and part of it is your body type.
Interesting.
So we look at that, and then we use diet and skincare to balance.
So when somebody comes in for the first time, not only are you giving them tips on how to take care of their skin, but you're also giving them tips on how to feed, nourish their bodies.
Nourish our bodies and also connect to the environment. Just looking at your skin and the texture of it, it's possible that one of your ancestors, or that you've inherited the skin of a Mediterranean type of weather, which is warmer. And just looking at your skin, I sort of looked at how we could get it so that you're in your 30s now, and I'm sure you're interested in skincare because there's some irritating things about your skin, and you're probably a little concerned about how it's going to look in the next 60 or 70 or 80 years.
No, I gotta look.
So the way to do it well is, one, the reason why your skin looks so beautiful is because you're very aware of what you put inside of you.
Right.
And you know what you're allergic to, because allergies will create toxins in your body, and toxins will make your skin look, blemished or rashy.
I had a question because, so I heard that, the skin is the last organ that, shows that something is happening internally. So it goes through.
No, it's
first. Okay, someone said it's kind of okay, so it's the first.
Well, if you're lacking in water, which is very dangerous for your body, your skin will show dehydration. But I wouldn't panic all the time because, like I said, if you're down south, there's a lot of moisture in the air. So that's going to hide any problems inside.
Gotcha.
So I wouldn't go all the way with that, but basically, if you're not eating or drinking enough, and therefore your organs aren't going to get enough hydration, your skin will be the first one to be depleted.
Okay.
Because it's the least dangerous one for you. Like if your liver didn't function properly, that would be a little bit more urgent than your skin.
Okay, and so I think there's a myth about the oilier skin, or or that there's, what is it? If your skin is well hydrated / might look a little dewy or oily, I think people are scared to have it too oily because they think that's going to cause breakouts. But isn't it dehydration that can lead to breakouts?
What I get acne is when skin is healthy enough to produce oils, right?
Okay.
So that could be any skin type.
Okay.
But when you dry it, oil production ramps up because your body's going, oh my God, she's dehydrating. I think there's just not enough oil to slow down dehydration. And that's when the skin blocks. The oil coming out is slower, thicker, and it clogs. So When you get blemishes, yes, the last part is your skin is over oiling, but it isn't caused by naturally oily skin.
Okay.
It's caused by any skin type being dehydrated. When your skin dehydrates and you are a healthy person, your body will produce excess oils to just, slow down dehydration
Okay.
of your skin. And that way it's healthier for you.